Hello dear traders, and welcome to our basic forex trading education. I am Petko Aleksandrov, the head trader at EA Forex Academy, and in this course I will share with you the very practical things, starting from what is to be a forex trader, how you need to set up your screen, how to install the MetaTrader, one of the most common platforms, what are the leverage, the margins, stop loss and take profit, what is the CFD trading and how useful it is, the different chart types, the right currency pair to trade at every moment, and I will show you a unique indicator that you see in front of you that at every moment will show you the best currency pair to sell or to buy. And of course I will show you a setup of an easy system for manual trading, and I will record many live examples where you will see how exactly I am trading, how I'm choosing the currencies and how I'm using this unique indicator and how I execute and how I close the trades. And I will record as well profitable and losing trades, so you will have an idea how to handle the trade if the price goes against you. Obviously, the more examples you will see, the more familiar you will be with the system and you will be able to apply it by yourself. This strategy is very suitable if you have just a couple of hours during the day. You can just sit in front of the screen and look at this indicator and decide which currency pair to trade and just trade it. And in the end of the course I will show you a very good money management that you can follow, so you will never risk more than 2% of your trading account. I hope you enjoy the course. My name is Petko Aleksandrov. Let me know if you have questions. Cheers!